Hey guys, it's Ryan with Ground Up, the ultimate source for high quality detailing and restoration parts. On this week's product spotlight, we're checking out the brand new JW Speaker 8700 EVO J2 plug and play conversion kit for the first gen Camaros. With this plug and play conversion kit, you can upgrade your weak, old, dull T3 headlights to these bright, modern, beautiful LED headlights.
The JW Speaker 8700 EVO J2 is a high-performance 7-inch round LED headlight offering dual-burn high and low beam optics. This technology combines both your high and low beam when turning on your high beam, providing the driver with both widespread visibility along with a powerful punch of light going down the road. This kit doesn't require the use of an anti-flicker harness and is plug-and-play, making for an easy installation. These headlights are both DOT and Transport Canada compliant for on-road use. This kit comes complete with everything you need to convert your standard headlights to the new LED JW Speaker headlights. Included in this kit is a pair of JW Speaker 8700 EVO J2 headlights in your choice of carbon fiber or black finish, a pair of modified headlamp buckets designed to house the new LED lights, a set of retaining springs that work with the modified buckets, and a pair of ground-up conversion harnesses.
The JW Speaker 8700 EVO J2 plug-and-play conversion kit is currently available for the first-gen Camaro with plans to expand to Nova and later-gen Camaros in the near future. If you've bought this kit from us, make sure to check out this video for a step-by-step installation guide on how to get these into your Camaro. Check out www.ss396.com for more details. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel for future content, and I'll see you on the road. With these headlights, you'll see everything else.